Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix lip syncing issues on your TV. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. If you're on your TV and your TV, the mouth, if it's talking like this and it's not matching up to the audio coming out of their mouth, if it's delayed, like it's saying blah 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 blah, and then their mouth moves, or their mouth moves and it says blah 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 blah, and it's not like blah 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 like that, like blah blah blah. If it's not doing that and it's not in sync, then a way to solve your issue is to grab your remote control and you're going to want to press input. And that will take you through HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and it'll take you all over the place. As you can see, I don't got my system hooked up. Here you go. So you want to go through all the little things here, all the little inputs, the different channels, and then once you get to the one you're just on, wherever you had your input or output or whatever, the HDMI, I can't see on the back of this TV, but wherever it was, it kind of resets it. That's what it does. It resets the TV. It resets the audio. So once you do that, once you press the input right here, you press that input and just get back to, like, say you're watching HDMI 1, just go through it and come back to HDMI 1, and then after that, it should be back in sync. It kind of resets it. So, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. I hope you had a great day, and I hope this solved your audio lip syncing issues. Because I went through all the audio settings on the TV, and I couldn't find a thing to fix it. I'm trying to use the right words here. I'm on YouTube, so I couldn't find a thing. So audio settings might not work. You can try to adjust the settings on there, but if you just go through your inputs and go back to the channel you had it on, the HDMI 1 or 2, or that's what I do, and it worked for me, so it may work for you. Have a great day.